Hi everyone, it's Kathy Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre canvas, and I'm going to do a flip cut. And I have cobalt blue, turquoise, black and white, and I have a bit of OGX in the cobalt blue and the turquoise. And this is just what I'm going to do. I don't know if I want them both the same, so we shall see what I do. Some white. Black. Okay, that might be enough. Let's just see how this next one goes. Start with that. And why not? A bit more black in this one. One side might end up being a little darker than the other. That would be quite pretty. And some white on the top. White on the top of this one as well. And I still have colours, so what I'm going to do is this. Scratch them all into the one cup. Maybe not all the black, but these colours. And I can flip that as well. Just a little bit of something extra. Okay, that. Just a touch of black. And now I'll give this one a bit of a turnabout. There we go. That's all it's getting. So, I have a piece of cardboard here. Well, card anyway. Come over there. Just to do the flippy part. 1. 2. And lucky last. Just get that paint off there. I'm going to wear that either. Goodness. And give them a little tap. And see how we go here. Oh, that's pretty. As you can see, they have each of them come out differently. Just scratching out the last of the paints. It will help the painting to roll around a little bit, hopefully. Yeah, put some black around as well. Last of this black out as well. some over the corners a bit. Right, we'll stop messing around with it now and we shall begin. Head over to this corner. Gotcha. Oops, not watching, am I? And then down, 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 down. Here we go. That corner's done. Oh, this one's really something. Come on, down here. That's it. Oh, goodness gracious. I might just bring it down to this corner here a bit. I don't think I want to tilt that anymore. It's looking really good. Okay, so wipe the undersides and then I'll go wash my hands off and give it a torch. Goodness, this is so pretty. Alright, that's what I'm doing, washing my hands. That is really pretty. I'm just going to torch it now and see what happens. Getting rid of some air bubbles, I know that much. A lot of cells. Oh, they might come up in a minute. Well, there we go. Off you go. That's a surprise. I thought I would have had more cells than that, but nonetheless, oh, there's some starting to come up now, but yeah, a few over here. It's really pretty. It always surprises the way this white's going. It's really different as well, similar to this. turquoise. Yes, I am getting some cells, and that makes me happy. So I'm just going to bring you down to take a look. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. You click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. That's what I'm looking at. That's a little corner bit I just wiped on there off my fingers. Can I get it? It's quite pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Well, 4 and a thumb if you really want to get pedantic. There we go. As you can see, there's some nice patterns and some larger cells, little tiny itty bitty ones. It's really, really pretty. That's rather interesting how that just came up. Little wispy bits. And we come down to the beautiful blue and turquoise. See if I can pick up this white. How it's going to see that on the edge. Oh, I think that's really pretty. It's like talcum powder or something. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up. I do appreciate that when people do that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.